Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you how I gave my son a little Jake and the Neverland's Pirates birthday, and I know this show isn't as popular anymore, but I was able to still come up with a really cute decor theme for him. So if you'd like to see it all together, then please continue to watch. Okay, so for his birthday cake this year, I'm just using funfetti white icing. I always do the same thing with cakes. I make like a two-tiered one. I use those little 6-inch pans. And then I found these sprinkles on Amazon, but they're just the colors of the Jake show, Jake and the Neverland Pirates. They didn't have any cake toppers, so look what I found on Mercari, I think is where I got this. And then he can play with these as toys. They're actually considered toys, but they have the little stands, so they double as decoration and a toy. And then I got this 6 to go on top, and I had a really large 5 last year for him. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and put this all together. Okay, so starting out, I always use this wall here for the kids' birthdays. I just took all the decorations off and wiped everything down really good. Here I have a backdrop I just found off of Amazon. I just attached it to the wall here. You're gonna see it has some wrinkles, so I used an iron on the low setting to help with those, and then I later pull it and stretch it and attach it to the wall to help with wrinkles. Now also something I always do is rearrange the living room when we have a birthday so that there's just more space here, and I'm cleaning under the rug and all of that. I need to go back through with a mop and really clean the floor good when I put out my Christmas decorations, which I'm thinking of doing here really soon since we don't really decorate a lot for Halloween, so I'm really excited for that. So stay tuned, but I didn't have time that day. I had a lot going on. But later on, I added this tablecloth that's from Amazon. I love this because it just stretches over our entryway table perfectly. But yeah, my sister gave me the idea to pull this fabric to the side, and that really helped with the wrinkles. Here I'm just putting my balloon garland together. So my little handheld like balloon blower broke on me, but I got a hold of my friend Debbie, who has a really nice one, and she said that she would bring it over to me. So while she was bringing that, I went ahead and blew up this huge, massive Jake balloon. Now this was wearing me out and I look kind of funny here, but I've had kind of a cough, so I literally felt like I was dying at a couple points here. It was funny. But then my friend Debbie showed up, and Debbie, if you're watching this, thank you so much. She saved the day with her little blower. But I definitely need to head to Walmart once I drop this back off to her and get one. I do these garlands for every birthday, so I don't know why I just haven't bought one, but now I'm definitely doing it after using this one. The kids had a church thing that night, so they came home and saw the garland and this huge banner on the wall, but that was it. Once they fell asleep, it's when I started putting all this together. They were just in their rooms there while I finished up. It was pretty late here. But I just love how this balloon garland, it just matches the same colors of the show. So it's mostly, you know, his outfit is blue, red, and yellow. I could stay in this moment forever, so I can... I went ahead and propped this big Jake here, but what I think you're meant to do is put helium in it, and then it comes with weights for the boots to hold it down, but I just used my breath as you were watching earlier. And then these dolls were a huge hit. My son loves stuffed animals, and I found those on eBay, and they really weren't too bad with prices. So yeah, it was just a little bit tricky finding some of these items since the show isn't, you know, like one of the newer ones like Paw Patrol and all that. But I was still able to come up with this adorable look for my son, and he was so happy.
To see it?
You wanted me, I'm leading you. Evan, Brucey wanted me to tie this around his face.
I can kind of see.
Uh-oh, surprise!
I wanted to take Amy's, Reese, can the easy one?
Hey Reese, is there any way you can put him in your lap and then give me a 6? Can you show me 6 with your fingers?
Oh yeah.
Wow, real big. Show me your teeth. Oh no, that's perfect. Now let me get one up close. Real big. Good job. Now I kept it really easy for breakfast this day. We just had cheese sandwiches and some donuts. I just added some of these birthday sprinkles to make it a little bit more special.
It's a fancy spyglass.
I can put him back in.
What's in there?
Corky.
Reese, it's a corgi stuffed animal. How adorable.
I'm gonna open one. Oh, this. I'm gonna open that. Wow, it's one.
Wait, Reese, there's 2 of them. And guess what?
What?
They light up.
Yes! That's right.
So you and Asa, or you and Sissy, or you and one of your cousins can play pirates with them out on the treehouse. Reese, what do you think?
We put the apple back in.
Those are lights for your bike. Can you tell Aunt Momo thank you?
Thank you, Aunt Momo. Excited. My birthday's today. That's what I'm excited about today.
Reese. What is this? Reese, this is a pirate dig, so you have to dig for treasures.
You were like we did those dinosaur bones?
Reese said Ray could open this one for him.
Oh my goodness, you're gonna try this, man. This is.
Oh my goodness, it's really creepy.
Can you show it?
This is from Aunt Momo too. What is it, Reese?
Whoa,
What do you
think? The same truck. Pretty box.
You can have your box back, I told you. Reese, it's a pirate set.
Oh, it's a pirate hideout, you mean?
Look, Reese.
Special.
No, put it down. This is awesome. Look, it is a pirate pistol.
You mean a pirate gun?
Yeah, but they call it pirate pistol. This is like a real gun that a pirate would use. What do you think, Reese?
Go!
More Legos. I love you. This day, my son actually had the day off of school, so we just played with his toys all day long, and he had the best day ever. Hey, you guys are free 99.
Wait, you can ask Jake now. Okay.
Free to continue trashing the house.
99.
Free 99.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Reese. Happy birthday to you.
Go down, Reese, and make a wish.
Corgi was singing too.
Make a wish, hurry up. Good job.
Good job, buddy. Now, another fun thing for his birthday this year is that he found 2 treasure chests that were left by a pirate out at my mom's property. So I wanted to show you guys how cute this is. He was able to go out and get his treasure, and that just made his birthday amazing. It was so fun for him. So yeah, that is everything for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.